Hello friends, today we will learn how to draw a face in an easy and step-by-step way. There are many techniques to draw a face, but in today's video we will use a basic technique for beginner. First, start by making an oval. Draw one vertical line in the center. It will help us to make both the sides of the face symmetrical. Now draw one horizontal line in the center. This will be the reference line for the eyes. Now divide the lower half of the oval with another horizontal line. This will be the nose line. In between the nose and chin line, draw the two small lines for the lips. Ear will be drawn between eye and nose lines. Divide the upper half of the oval with a horizontal line. This will be the hairline or forehead. Using these reference lines, we will develop the face. Now we will draw the eyes. The distance between two eyes should be the same as the length of each eye. Now we will draw eyebrow. As I told you, this method is for beginner, so we will focus more on the proportion. For nose, draw two waves like this. We will take inner corner of the eyes for the width of the nose. Make a bracket for the edge of the nose. Edge of the lips should be in the same line as the center of the pupil. This basic proportion will remain the same for male and female face. You can make the hairstyle according to you. Draw the neck in the same line at the outer corner of the eyes. The feature will be slightly different for individual faces, but proportion will remain the same. This is the basic for the drawing the face. You can draw any details according to your reference image. Hope you like this video. We will learn the more advanced technique in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning and keep practicing. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.